Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be safeguarded against or how you should be cautious against scams on Flipkart. Well, I'm not saying Flipkart is scamming people, but there are some sellers or there are some products which are very fishy. Before we get started, here's the disclaimer. Now, I don't have anything against Flipkart. I'm not saying Flipkart is bad or it's doing some kind of a scam. I'm just telling you that you might get confused or make a wrong decision with insufficient or inadequate information. So here's what actually happened. Recently in my video for best phones under 30,000, I actually promoted OnePlus Nord 3 phone a lot. It was being sold at 20,000 rupees. And then I watched some random video about OnePlus Nord 3 on YouTube and I got literally scared. I remember OnePlus Nord 3, but I don't remember if I recommended from Flipkart or Amazon. So here's the thing. OnePlus is selling OnePlus phones exclusively in India in OnePlus.in website, their own website, and on Amazon. And according to some other videos on YouTube, OnePlus is not providing service if you're buying a OnePlus phone from third-party sellers or some other place like Flipkart. So I was really scared because first thing, I also suggested you people to buy the phone, and I even suggested my own family members to buy it, and my own uncle bought it. If that phone didn't have warranty or if it had any issues, I am screwed. Like in a family like situation, screwed. So I got really panicked and I looked into it. So here's the thing. Whenever you search anything on Flipkart, you see all these links and all. Sometimes you get varying prices. Now this is OnePlus official website and you can see that OnePlus Nord 3 is being sold at 34,000 rupees. Now the same phone is being sold on Amazon, 19,998, that's 20,000 anyway. So this is OnePlus Nord 3. It is on sale, but for some reason they didn't update it on their own website. Now, if you just search for it on Flipkart, you can also see it, but at a different price. It's at 22,800 or 22,900 rupees. Now, what's the difference? You don't know. If you're a normal user, you're looking for something, you might go to Amazon or Flipkart and just search for it and blindly buy whatever is available. But this particular product might not come from an authorized dealer. So what happens is whenever you have any issue with a phone, you return it to Amazon or OnePlus. These companies sell these phones in lots. Like if they have 100 phones or 1,000 phones which have been returned or refurbished, they'll sell it off in the third-party markets. Now these people might again come back and sell it on Amazon as refurbished products or even on Flipkart. Now they might claim 1-year warranty or they might just write 1-year seller warranty. This really happens. Now we are looking at this particular product. Let's see if it has warranty. Okay, I'll just search for it. Extended warranty is not something that company gives. See, here's a warrant summary. Domestic 1 year of device and 6 months for in-box accessories. The statement itself sounds very dubious. And warranty service type is NA, not applicable. So this probably doesn't have company warranty. Now, if you look at the product rating and all, it has amazing ratings, like 8,000 ratings, 700 reviews. Now, all these people might not get warranty. I'm not sure, but they might not. Now that's not all. There might be multiple sellers for the same product. In the website, you can actually see who the seller is. But if you're checking the same phone or any product on a Flipkart application, you can't find it easily. Like it's at the bottom. If you scroll down a bit, you might see it, but it's not really visible. Now let's look at the seller. It's Alpha Mobile. Now this particular one is the seller. We got the rating, but I don't know if this particular seller is the authorized seller or not. I don't know if I get the company warranty if I buy the phone from this particular seller. Now that's not all. If you click see other sellers, there's a huge list. I have been buying products on Flipkart for a very long time and I didn't know till now that this kind of thing happens. And another thing, I always think that this Flipkart assured thing is a big thing, but no, they don't guarantee that the product is from a company or anything. They'll just deliver it to you properly. That's all. If you're buying anything on Flipkart, it's better to have this Flipkart assured symbol, but you don't get any priority service or any good customer service. So this is one thing, and I'll show you some other interesting things. If you go to the mobile section, let's look at some other mobiles. Now Flipkart sells some of the best phones in the market. Like if you compare some of the best phones in the market, most of the phones will be sold on Flipkart and very few phones are sold on Amazon. So most people buy the best phones in the market on Flipkart and you don't know if you'll get the warranty or not. So let's see this Infinix phone. Let's see who the seller is. So BTBP LED. I don't know who that guy is. Will I get the warranty? Let's see if there are other sellers. Thank God there is only one seller. And let's see the warranty details. So 1 year on handset and domestic warranty, there's something 1 year. Okay, it's done. Now let's see Motorola. Now this one should have pretty similar things. Okay, everything's out of stock. Let's see the Edge Ultra 50. Let's see a common phone, probably X Fold 3. This should be exclusive, I guess. Okay, first let's check the warranty details. Let's come down over here and see warranty. Okay, 1 year on handset, 6 months on accessories, domestic warranty 1 year. Fine. Okay, who's the seller? There's just one seller. Okay, some random name seller. Just one seller, and I don't even know if this is a authorized dealer or a true dealer or something. There's only one guy. This is a Flipkart exclusive phone. Then I understand that this might be true. But what if you are buying a normal Samsung phone, say Samsung A53 or an iPhone? Okay, let's see about what happens with this Poco. Okay, we do get warranty, and let's see who the seller is. Once again, seller is some close tail. We don't know if this guy is original or not. So there isn't really an easy way to say this is the original product. You'll get the manufacturing warranty if you buy it from this guy, but you should probably check the warranty specifications from all specifications. Okay, let's see iPhone. We probably should have multiple sellers. No, there's only one seller again. And see the random names for sellers. Treasure Hall Online. Like, it's definitely sounds pretty shady. And warranty, 1 year warranty for phone, 6 months box accessories, warranty service type, I don't know, any domestic warranty 1 year. So endpoint, if you're buying anything on Flipkart, make sure that you're buying it from the right seller. Like for example, if you find a product on a better deal than on Amazon, or you see a better deal on Flipkart itself than what the company says, then make sure you are buying it from the proper seller and you do get the warranty. How, I am not sure as well, because as you have seen, I have checked Motorola, Infinix and Apple. They don't have sellers as Apple, Motorola and all. They have some random names and you don't even know if you're buying the authentic product. One way to make sure that you are getting the right product is going to the Flipkart page directly from company's promo page probably. But even then, it's not like 100% sure. I don't know. So at least make sure to check the sellers list before you purchase a Flipkart exclusive phone, or in fact any other product, and see if it is an authentic product, if you get the warranty or not. So all I'm saying is, when you're buying anything on Flipkart, make sure you're buying it from the proper seller. If possible, see if there are any reviews, Q&A answers, and see if they are getting warranty or not. Like some people even ask about if they get warranty, and some people even answer. Like for that previous OnePlus Nord phone, many people said that they didn't get any warranty. So make sure to check that as well. And I hope you and I as well have some happy and safe buying. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it and found it to be useful. If you do, hit the like button, and if you don't, hit the dislike button, and comment why you didn't find this video to be helpful. And if you have any solutions for this seller problem, like how I can know if it's the actual seller or if it's the product from the direct company, let me know by commenting below this video. It will help me and it will help a lot of people. So guys, with that said, see you next time. Bye bye.